Ginkgo-lantern face on the sun. This was an astonishing scene in which the bright spots formed on the sun's surface looked like a terrifying face. It seemed as if someone had carved a scary humanoid face on the sun. This image was captured by NASA's Space Observation System. The extremely hot and bright areas on the sun looked like eyes and a nose, while the lower part resembled a frightening smile. In reality, this was not an actual face, but due to a condition of the human brain, it was perceived this way. The human brain often sees faces or familiar objects in random shapes, like seeing a face in clouds or on the moon. Pluto slug. A strange black mark was seen on the surface of Pluto, which looked like a large slug or a crawling creature. For this reason, it came to be called Pluto slug. This mysterious shape appeared when NASA's space mission obtained images close to Pluto. In the picture, a long and black section was clearly visible on Pluto's icy surface, which looked completely different from the normal terrain. Scientists say this is not a living creature but the result of different ices, dust, and ancient geological changes on the surface. Pluto's extreme cold, frozen gases, and millions of years of changes create such strange shapes. Hippo asteroids. Some asteroids in space astonish due to their strange shapes, and one of them was named the Hippo asteroid because its shape from afar looked like a seahorse, i.e., a hippo. It is a very fast-spinning neutron star that emits extremely powerful energy into space, which looks like a human hand from a distance, hence called the cosmic hand. This is a very amazing structure in space called the Ant Nebula because its shape from afar resembles an ant-like body with spread arms. It is actually a planetary nebula, meaning gas and light ejected during the final stages of a dying star. TBW for 15. This is not a movie thing but an actual near-Earth asteroid that attracted a lot of attention. It is called the Skull asteroid and was first discovered in 2015. Its size is estimated to be between 300 and 400 meters. But in reality, it was not a skull, rather its surface and the reflection of light created this impression. This asteroid was not dangerous for Earth, but scientists consider it important because it belongs to the group of near-Earth asteroids and helps in understanding potential future threats. This is an extremely distant cosmic system that emits powerful radio waves. At its center is a supermassive black hole that continuously pulls in matter. When this matter falls into the black hole, it converts into extreme energy and shoots out as huge jets on both sides. These jets are so powerful that they spread across the entire intergalactic space. And these are clearly visible in radio telescopes. The most special thing about 3C303 is that it is not just a galaxy but an active galactic nucleus. That means a center that is still alive and continuously emitting energy. We can call it a kind of cosmic engine where the black hole consumes matter like fuel and in return throws energy billions of light years away. GW Ori is a very unusual star system located in the Orion Bridge. It has not one but three stars orbiting each other, surrounded by a large disk of gas and dust that is not straight and smooth but crooked and broken. Scientists think that the strange shape may be due to a hidden planet that influences the gravitational pull of the entire system. This system is interesting because if a planet really exists here, it would be the first known planet of its type orbiting three stars simultaneously. No direct image of this planet has yet been taken, but telescope observations indicate the possibilities of its existence. This entire system is still under research, and scientists are trying to understand its structure and behavior. It is a very famous space site located in the Eagle M16 Nebula. These are very large pillars of dust and gas in space, thousands of light years long. They are named the Pillars of Creation because new stars are being born here. This place is actually a star-forming factory, where gas and dust are accumulating inside the pillars. Due to gravity, this matter contracts and forms new stars. They were first clearly shown by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1995, which is why they are called Hubble's Pillars of Creation. Later, the James Webb Telescope also observed them in more detail, revealing hot gas and star formation more clearly. In simple words, these are the large clouds in space where new worlds and new stars are being created, which is why they are called the Pillars of Creation, cosmic filaments. The James Webb Space Telescope discovered a very large cosmic structure, a chain consisting of 20 galaxies spreading across more than 13 million light-years. This provides new information for understanding the large-scale structure of the universe. Such structures are generally called cosmic filaments, which are part of the vast cosmic web connecting galaxies throughout the universe. These structures form over billions of years due to dark matter and gravitational forces. This discovery provides valuable information about how galaxies form, cluster together, and develop over time. By observing such distant structures, scientists can study the conditions of the early universe immediately after the Big Bang. Cartwheel Galaxy. This is a very unusual galaxy located about 500 million light-years away. It is famous for its wheel-like shape, hence called cartwheel. This shape was formed due to the collision of a very large galaxy with a smaller galaxy. After this collision, the matter inside the galaxy spread outward and formed halos or rings. New stars are still forming in this galaxy because the gas and dust became highly active after the collision. It is a very famous supernova remnant, meaning debris left from a star that exploded. It is located about 6,500 light-years away in Taurus, so it is famous because in 1054 AD, a star exploded so powerfully that it was visible from Earth. Nothing could be seen during the day. The gas and dust left after this explosion are now called the Crab Nebula. At its center is a pulsar, a very fast-spinning neutron star that rotates several times per second and emits radio waves. In simple terms, it is a cloud of debris from a dead star that is still rapidly expanding in space, continuously emitting energy from within.